Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Man, guys, sorry for ending the broadcast just now. You know, say sometimes some of these our followers or some of these our viewers, they go think say maybe they're too get sense or they're too wise. But you will be presenter or you will the told social media, you go let them know say they're not wise. Somebody send me a video and he tell me say, bros, talk about this video because now wait till you they preach against now be dicks. Nothing I say okay now I fall out. I want to talk about and before I know that video, I'm not going to see for my phone again. You understand? So I got to call the person again. Then I say the video will send over me. I'm not sending my phone again. He can't send now. Come as he send now, come quickly. I put on for one place where we say they not fit delete or they not fit take and come out. You understand? So at the talk say our people, our old people when see they go road work now see they talk about. Just imagine Omome Bo one of Germany. She still they talk about boyfriend. She still they talk about boyfriend. Stop calling me. Who's calling me on Messenger? Stop calling me. Stop calling me. You understand? So she still they talk about boyfriend at this time of her age. Not be husband. You understand? So now she they talk say Monica. Now so she don't know person will carry this thing, go give Monica, go give the Murphy, go give this, go give that. You understand? More than listening to her. I'm also say maybe not me, they forge out for her mouth. More than listening to her. Listen, guys, let me bring out the video. Let me bring out the video. The video she did. The video when person sent come for me just now. May I bring her because they tell this our women say, make una dey wise. You know, if I dey talk to them, they'll say I be central. But I dey tell them say any girl will be say I don't chop him money. Come out show me that I can't talk and take my picture, take my name, go give presenter. May announce me. Nobody they announce me. Nobody say I don't chop him money. So that is to tell you say they be fool. People when they announce say I be central, they be fool. Because if I be central, as I dey come for social media, they talk say this, that. People will not come and tell me say you be central, you don't chop my money, but nobody to come and tell me say I be central. You understand? So Nicholas, I dey reply to your message and you say they keep saying that you are a central. You understand? Your cap don't have part 2. I will leave my cap, my brother. Leave my cap. Listen. Mona, listen.
You will also explain yourself. I don't know if you understand. To not damage your image.
Abi?
I'm Mujana, yeah.
Monica is silent. Now me talk and come and no put on for video like that. No. Now when
a video
when you want a video, what no a video. Why we even want a video for playing? This is a woman. Now we got by the bar.
A police station arrive na e matana se police station ne e matana se police station ne e police station ya ye na police station. Listen my people, if I dey tell and say una new enter Europe, una find man, better man marry, una no dey hear. Una don dey go for the Europe, una go dey find. Una listen. What damn yo? Austin, look my eye. Austin, look my eye. When you tell me say na me you dey do like this. So Austin, look my eye. Austin, look my eye. When you tell me say na me dey do like this. So òfin àdéyúwà mẹ́nẹ́ ọ̀dọ̀ kí n rí bí ẹ̀ka. Òfin àdéyúwà mẹ́nẹ́ ọ̀dọ̀ kí n rí bí ẹ̀ka. Ẹ̀gẹ̀nẹ́ yàwó ni wà á márè. Ẹ̀gẹ̀nẹ́ yàwó ni wà á márè ni wà á rówó ọ̀dọ̀ ọmọ àwọn wà á hún. or mama wa in winning biaga, in winning I jump from one boy to another. This boy not fine rich, this boy not get money, this boy not handsome rich. If I introduce boy to my family, what they go talk about me? What they go talk about me? Audion love it. No worry, fake account. Let me just block you out of my platform. I don't even like you. Let me tell you before I block you. I don't feel like you right from time because of your post when you dey post about people. So I don't feel like you. So may I just block you? May I block you? I don't just feel like you right from time. You understand?
When we see a problem video,
brother.
let me tell you one thing. I just want to talk to you. Imagine when I spoke to you in your WhatsApp several times.
The WhatsApp.
I spoke to you several times. So if you want to listen to me, you listen to me. If you don't want to tell me this man image, then who affected man.
Man first. Every new video, the video where I do Daniel. A video new okay boyfriend me okay still is immature.
At this woman age. At this woman age, Omo may bo one of Jimmy as her age. She's still talking of a boyfriend in me. A boyfriend in me. She's still saying a boyfriend in me. My guy, this thing they inch me for a year. They inch me for a year. She's still saying a boyfriend in me. For you to say my husband, if I say you to say my husband now, I go the year, I go clap for you. I go even send message to Monica. I go tell Monica, say, Monica, why are you bringing this woman down? You still they talk about a boyfriend in me at your age. At your age. Tori Toto, God bless you. And Tessie, my sister Tessie, God bless you for sharing the broadcast. Please, guys, share this video. She's still saying a boyfriend in me. Omo me bo one of Germany. Wa mo pe ni negbu wa. Wa ti egbu wa pe ni wa mu ni egbu wa. Amen wa mo pe ni egbu wa yi, and at the end una be niente, una be nothing. Okay, now Osamu Diame, okay, now do you understand me now, B? Your first comment and say, bros, may you know the tire. Now you understand me now, B? Okay, you don't even share my video. Osamu Diame, God go bless you. God go bless you. You see what they talk? Because sometimes if I hear some things, it affect me. Let me read your message, Osamu Diame. Let me read your message. You say, married woman for that matter. Abi Oyibo not be person. Okay, Osamu Diame, this is what I'm saying. A boyfriend even at your age, at your age, a boyfriend even Okpo Ashawo emo una chebone Monica Monica by so egbe Joyce, thank you for sharing this broadcast. Una chebone Monica una we mirror by so egbe. Not be say Monica still good on her own. No. Monica, she's not my friend, she's not my enemy. But on this one, you understand? Would you tell a boyfriend, man? Listen, me we very anana. I better go when I yell we boama ye bieka, wama ye etabu ya kuyokure. By now, I believe say you for day with responsible man. You marry only you marry Ibo. You from Oyibo has the friend black boy. You from Oyibo has the fox small children up and down. Omo mebo uko we boya we bieka kian pokpa. Huh? Been working on my some mebo. Been working on my say wow mo pe ni neck boy. Listen guys. Listen. Play.
Yeah, imasho enokwe, imasho enoko. Oh, you were telling me I'm not a baby. Imasho enokwe, imasho enoko. A boyfriend in Mokba, a share give. A boyfriend in
Mok, Economy Mo, manahina. A yas when your boyfriend. they talk boyfriend, you know they talk boyfriend, this woman. That thing they pepper me. You ask where boyfriend, where boyfriend, where are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed of yourself? A boyfriend the way, boyfriend the way.
By sure again, they life. I know they see and I know they lie. You yourself, you know. A boyfriend the won't buy sure again. A boyfriend the won't buy sure again. You not see any na sure. Emi sunu on my me a be ballo me na te sure. Now me they talk, come on me one of Germany, no shaking. All those 6 1 and the year say talk. Now I'm waiting to see pay my boyfriend now talk. Now waiting do wait pay me wait be say he make attempt to sleep with my own cousin. So now I take talk that thing. To sleep with my own sister for his side room. And that my sister, she's like a daughter to me. Now mommy they call me. Now he make me tell and say, now mommy, he wants to sleep with mother and son. You understand? So when I say Mona Sharon, I know if you call Monica. I'm on live video now. I not call Monica, I not call Lady Murphy, I not call Amelia, I not Sharon for anybody. But one thing where I say Mona help me so I put. Person where you share that video. Go ahead. Mona Sharon. Person where you share my boyfriend video. Go ahead. Make una cost food. Walk we and walk. A boyfriend you want by share feature nigga keke or tion. Nigga pay a boyfriend you want back pay again. Walk we and walk. I will not share regard me. Walk me my book by our pastor. No get your talent you have social media. Mutia, no get your talent you have social work. No get your talent you have social media. No get your talent. No get talent you no get one that you walk me my book by walk we and walk. No get one any my boyfriend the men that you. A boyfriend you want pastor the egg you. No get one that you walk me my book by walk we and walk. Okay, me no more me boy. I raise say you some get out again. What it any me? No give more Latia. No more Latia. No more Latia. Because it's here. It's here. Me. No give more Latia. Backbone of Bombay. Wagumeti avojo. Wagumeti avojo. Walk we and walk. Oui, via Kaya, Wagumeti avojo. Amaro Pamagenere. Na life I did. Amaro Pamadan Lawo. We got some way. Amaro Pamajan a boyfriend in one power or the up person the give for out saying. Nika a boyfriend in one bag. Amaro Pamajan must send the game. Even if yes, Amaro Pamajan Mogwana, more life. Omanogi more Latin. Nogi atame di mofi. Nogi tame manike Wagumeti avojo. Wala wo Wagumeti avojo. No way you have Wagumeti avojo. Yow say yeah, the water me rock by boyfriend in my son. Yeah, if I talk anything about my boyfriend, I quarrel. Now I talk but waiting me they talk say, oh man, no more lads ye hair.
Madam, shut up. Madam, shut up. Obama Bowalo, Jamie, you be back balloon when we are in. Mota, you be back balloon when we are in. Welcome, man. Oh, yeah, man. Welcome, what a make disgrace to what you know any be. Welcome, what now? We need disgrace to what no any be. We don't want you be back balloon when no granny. We know you be back balloon when no granny. And what talaja wununa. And you want talaja wununa. At your age, my boyfriend. I send the video to my boyfriend. My boyfriend can say, I don't know conscience and go give Monica. I don't know conscience and go give Amelia. I don't know conscience and go give Eddie Murphy. My boyfriend at your age. At your age. And I could not see any way bonamana there. You could not watch a way bonamana there. Wanahina. Wa me pisi ya gume, wa me vidi ya gume, ya me tigwa na ya. Ya me tigwa na ya, my people. All these people, they need to go Osman house. Inya ka ye dagme ya tonka ene. Inya ye dagme ya tonka ene. Ibieka ni aga mu agboria e na rigwalo. Vino na wa hiyo mese na. Or when your mom bo, who give your mom bo? I'm mom bo one of Germany no eh? Not by having targeted or when your Africa Jama first lady. Everyone wa mahe, everyone ma kebo ni re, ijwa ma kebo ni re, wa mo pe ni negbu wa ye eniebo yakin wa. Omo bo one of Germany, who bo you? With one eye closed, one eye open. Oh, mo bo one of Germany. Oh, mo bo one of Germany. I will back where I will back here. The boy don't use blood beat you. Small picking go beat you because why? Who will give far? Who will give far? I don't go to classify you as. Okuna na aro wodo. Oga lave mercy na gbera. Oga lave disgrace na gbera. Oga experience have no sense na. Ona ni tamu wana ni dare na avi wani dare na ni tamu wana kina wa unu pokere wana mi pe agbon wa settle down I win a World Cup no one be win na shawo I tamo ma we eri again na ogize be win na shawo anado me ekran mi ne anado me World Cup ne bo anado ka ma win champion error. Why give me no dede na you tell a boyfriend. And we are not a boyfriend or genia. Opianana is a married man. Then Osamu Jamek when you ba. Or when a person your husband. Please play the video again. And don't forget, this woman is not Mama Boyi. Somebody write message and say it look like Mama Boyi. Is not Mama Boyi, and you know if it is Mama Boyi, because Mama Boyi not get one hair. Not be Mama Boyi be. Let me play the video again for the sake of you people that is just coming now. So hello boy, my boyfriend. Boy we go na. Eko na no be ate drama. Eko na no ate drama do. Eko be mona. Based on the same feather floss together. Ehwe be mwe de na we ba na we ohona no ate drama do na ona be ro wodo u be ba wo na be ro wodo nia ona no be ba wo na be ro wodo ona na kona no ate drama na wa vie pishin yare mo na dey give me their information me na dey disgwagwan dem mo na dey give me their information they no fit do me anything mo na dey give me their information. For the sake of now when they come, here I play the video again.
You will also explain your side. I don't know if you understand. To not damage your image.
When Mutia, Abi?
I'm Mutia.
Monica is silent. I'm now me talk and come and no put time for video like that. No. Now when
a video without video, I know.
A video, why when you make a video, what you know a video? Why when you make a video for problem?
This is a small notice. Now we got by the bar. No, that might be. Give me a thing. I'm going to go back to the video. I'm going to show you. Yeah, we're not like that.
Austin, look my eye. Now that make me they laugh for inside though. Austin, look my eye. May you tell me say na me they do like this. Oh. Austin, look my eye. Austin, look my eye. What is there your eye? I walk back. They blend only one now. It's not good. Now the other one, the boy go blend again. Now that means you not get high again. Austin, look my eye. Austin, look my eye. Make you tell me say na me they do like this. So when I roll water, be a weberia. It be a way bebo veria. It be a messy way up veria na. No, now you pass over that police station. Austin, look my eye. Austin, look my eye. When you tell me say na me you do like this. So it can't be judged. You are.
Me will win now. Me will win now. See me. Now you dey do like this. Oh, brother.
Let me tell you one thing. I just want to talk to you. Imagine when I spoke to you in your WhatsApp several times.
The WhatsApp.
I spoke to you several times. So if you want to listen to me.
You when the right say the woman marry Oyibo now, the woman is married to Oyibo now. Person when marry Oyibo now they talk. So now today video be this when they send call for me. So this will not be yesterday video. This one today video when they say my boyfriend. Now they hear. I mean they talk and so. Not be a mat, not be me bo picture na they see so. Not be me face na they see so. Not be she they talk say Austin, you do me like this, They talk say married. I beg, I don't need all those kind of comments here. Because when they see person they for a mat, they use a mat they talk. You they say she marry Ibona. She marry Ibona, she they talk my boyfriend so. If you want to listen, you listen. If you don't want to listen, you leave my platform, I beg.
You listen to me. If you don't want to comment this man email, them know where who no affected man.
Oh, my face. Every new the video where I do, Daniel. A video new, okay, boyfriend, okay, Austin. Is Imasho no. Oh, you were telling me, I'm not a baby. Imasho no. A boyfriend in Mokba, a shaggy. A boyfriend in Mokba, a shaggy. They life. I know they see, and I know they lie. You yourself, you know. A boyfriend in Mokba, a shaggy. A boyfriend in Mokba, shaggy. You don't see any na shoy. Emi sunu, or my yame, a bebalo me. Not a sure. Now me they talk, come on, me one of Germany, no shaking. All those 6 1 and they hear say talk. Now waiting go see pay my boyfriend now talk. Now waiting do wait pay me wait be say he make attempt to sleep with my own cousin. So now they talk that thing.
Mommy Jenny, that is peace man mother. I greet you.
So sleep with my own sister for his side room. And that my sister, she's like a daughter to me. Now mommy, they call me. Now he make me tell and say, now mommy, he wants to sleep with mother and son. You understand? So when I say Mona Sharon, I know if you call Monica. I'm on live video now. I not call Monica. I not call Lady Murphy. I not call Amelia. I not share for anybody. The one thing where I say Mona help me so I put. Person where you share that video. Go ahead. Mona Sharon. Person where you share my boyfriend video. Go ahead. Make una cost food. Walk we are walk. A boyfriend you walk by share picture nigga. Keke or tion. Nigga.
Madam, Ogona metin all heavy guana or metin of iguana. Become my way, shut up. You don't be back balloon when we are, madam. Shut up. Close your mouth. You dey hear me? This woman they will hear me so. If they mention boyfriend, shut up. I say shut up. Eki bieka egwe wagbon. Omo no saka. Eki bieka egwe wagbon ko na. Why eki bieka? Oyibo do so oyibo no get agwa. Oye ebo me kia na. Ebo emo agwa. Euro emo agwa. You marry Oyibo, you first small breast. Biki, who they call me? Hello?
This man.
Pardon, me real live video.
You.
You real live video, sir?
Real video.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then on the discussion.
Okwa no, the dog pa be not here, but mo me bo one of Germany. Ekibieka ya wa okia ekibieka eya omie ki ovi oka na eriyo eya omie ki ovi oka na lawe enya wa rokia o de discussion sir keka bi ku oni ni fi o me iya ma oni apa iwinu pore iya ye gbasawo iya mero dona ido na ya pishi ya agaro we ni ya vio me ya mo eladia ni anna ya ni amo ebogbin ya popa ere do
Is that Iba reazione. Oh, sì, coronavirus ya mi okupo. Hello.
Iye menuta baba mai menuta ore speaker.
Coronavirus ya mi okupo. That is the gospel. Coronavirus. We no ke do ni aga yupo asa oni ya gwa liwina. No me do we no win. Na me do we no gwa ni you Latin here South America we where we see na. Yeah we. So here na hawe oriori ya wina ni. Coronavirus nya mu go. Mata nika ota oni abia ho bi ni ya ni na nika ota oni na ro nya mi nika
Okay, my menuta ne baba.
I'm later.
Okay, where's it? Ubi is res. I bet send me the picture and information. Send me the picture and information. Is res. Send me the picture. Na central abi na okpo we never want come up for street. Mona send me the information. You understand? Mona not forget to support to our own brother. Mona go subscribe to a God Sent Family TV. God Sent Family TV. I beg. If you still get more information about this, someone may born one of Germany. Mona want talk about. Mona call me on WhatsApp or call me on my direct number +39 35 11 20 42 09. Please. Very important because all these people need to enter house. Let's continue with the video.
Evo non share gaje mi gwa kume mo ebo gbe o pastor no ge ya talent ya be social media mutia no ge ya talent ya be social gwa kume gwa no ge ya talent ya be social media no ge ya talent ya no ge talent ya no ge nwa la dia la gwa kume mo ebo gbe won pe awon ofo no ge nwa eni ma be boyfriend me la dia e boyfriend won pastor de egi o no ge nwa la dia gwa kume mo ebo gbe won pe awon ofo oga ime no mo me bo e rain say yo so ma gera me gene wa be tie ni me no gi mwe latia
e no na say
no mwe latia because it's here that it's here ya ime no gi mwe latia ba gbon na gbon pege wa gumeti e vojo won pe awon ofu unwi vie kaya wa gumeti e vojo amaro pa majere na life I dey amaro pa madam lawo wo we ga simo we amaro pa majame jige e boyfriend mo pa or the up send give for say me ke boyfriend mo pa egi amaro pa majame jige ma send egi amaro pa even if yes amaro pa majame jige mo gwa na mo real life.
Okay, now this woman still be now she still be a res. But her name for my Facebook now Eze Monday. Maybe her name for my Facebook.
No be ata me di mo fi. No be ta me man ke wa gumenti e boyo. Wala wo. Wa gumenti e boyo. No mo eye he wa gumenti e bo. Ya sete.
Iya me le bogi me duty ya me ni anwe.
Ya do what me rock pa ge boyfriend me ezono. Yeah, if I talk anything about my boyfriend, I quarrel. Now I talk am. But waiting me they talk say, oh man, no more lads ye head. La wagumeti ye boy. I won't have a man ya wagumero here. Wa west.
I imagine ni kagi ta. Igbe ya wa wo me. Why ye information of Bugu me about na wa information of Bugu me e dey me picture get ladian wa information of Bugu me about na ime igegbe oko egbe oko ran imene ya zedo ni bino na waje na eze mode na egbe oko we ese to sibie kanu wo ai abi bieka no mu ni esefu sia ai uma sia egbe oko egbe ha oko egbe oko era ni merie egbe ha oko we egbe ha oko abi bieka no sia ai ni ya mare small girls ni ya mare age mate ogiya because rudave okwo na rudave dede na nyongina o sie na abi aboti mani ko ni mana mi okpe a ni mana mi odo no rin ayo wa na even if e mo do wo wa abi dede na nyongina iye je wo kiyan enjoy yan rudinya mego kere rudinya mego kere Pa Monica will be so hungry now. Monica is doing her makeup for today live video while a part dey sleep. Abeg o Osamudi Amela wo ka sabe Monica ye ke di mafia ene. Wage dede na nyongi. Wage dide na nyongi egbe nana o le labi be ka gbe na be winu po o le labi be ka gbe na be winu po 20 years still on road work 20 years still on igbeaga 20 years still on ashawo bi agbale ni go yi na amu ya take off a young boy amu ya take off odafun kwowe amu ya gba odafun kwowe ibie ka magi mi odo again ya boy edimofi here we hook me up not pa no chegbe jama lady no ro no be mo pe ni negbe be no na be mo pe ni negbe na wo mo me bo one of Germany oni ya boni yo hook me up ibie ka magi mi odo tu dave dede na tu dave hot cargo na wasi winu pa ai omago wasi ai wa when in winu po 10 years in winu po 20 years in winu po 30 years in winu po 40 years o wa you yes Osamudi Ame, this is the reason this is one of the reason why this local Benin actress does not respect women from Europe or from abroad. Yes, that is true. Una when they pack, they go Africa, they pack, they go Nigeria, say, I want to go marry. Agba wa ni bune. Why say Nigeria na wu wa marry ne? I wanna not basha wo ne be webu. Ogize basha wo amayi mi wan ogiri e yo wa, omayi mi pe an ogiri wa be webo, onagi tule mo Africa. Otewe ma enwe. Otewe ma ni ro wa enwe. Iye be ri owego. They no ga form me when you love you when you love you when no make na mo ade webo uwa imwe la webo ne all left way ai. That is just the truth. Uwa imwe la webo ne all left way ai. Abe hot cargo na omo me bo of Germany si be ka ai. Si be ki pe ai ni be ki ko make na mi o pe arie. Egi amagbi bie kikpe aria. Egi amagbi bie karia be we bo mebo one of Germany. Egi amagbi bie karia. Egu we gbera ne. Ube ku ne be go hwie. Ego hwie ube ku ne. So edo yo we do ya affect ibeka no dade na, ibeka ni gwalo dovege na. Edo yo we affect ya. Because again, I want to allow water. Wa we wa maybe 8 flats. Wa maybe 4 flats. Oh, be ameti control me o. What you no be na control me. Imeti aro toto bia. Iya ga me go me ne. Imeti mwe small boys. Iya wa be o wa be ahon me. Iya wa be rinya wa be we. Iya be we ni ibe rigo ni yen pa. E ban ni wa na do we o ta yen hole. Eba wana do ewe agbon we and wana mi say na is trouble. Ibieka no de na masi yo egbe won mebo. Edo yo we ari ahinya wa. No come break their side mirror. Egbe yan mirror. No break their side mirror. Egbe yan mirror mo mebo. Egbe yan side mirror. Why could the side mirror ginya aye? Egbe yan side mirror. I'm telling you. Egbe yan side mirror because egbe yan side mirror mi amege ya na we. Imi ana ya na wa. Then I'm a man for Central. Area me over Central. Then I'm maybe one of them now. I na over Central one no. Over Central no. Wa pass a message na gear. Emi yoni ha man ahe. 1 year women no po ade dede 30 years 40 years o wa ma wa kere wo. Omo mebo no so na mo mebo na nekere no so no dawa o digba so na ni only come one ahi. So guys, please kindly go to my YouTube channel, God Sent Family TV. You will see the video. This video when I play, so it dey my YouTube channel. As you dey watch the video, I beg make you subscribe. Then we have video niva la wo subscribe yo. La wo subscribe. Understand? And don't forget our ambition to become Edo State Governor 2020. Ambassador John Osage for governor. You understand? Just saga no. Boss lovely. I know they do saga. And I know what make saga sweet me. You understand? But I dey pass the message to her and to other women when they take small boys, when they sleep with small boys for abroad and for Africa. May they stop. Because our women, many small girls today, when they find man, they're not green see man because of these people. Because of these old cargoes. How could you imagine? This woman born would not reach that kind of 50 years. She's still talking about boyfriend. And you they talk about saga. Who they do saga? Am I doing saga? I'm not doing saga. I'm passing message. So I don't want it to be sweet. Okay? I'm passing message to them. So please, guys, support our ambition to become Edo State Governor 2020. Ambassador John Osage, the people's choice, the people's governor, the people Imiefa, the people Messiah. Please support Ambassador John Osage for governor. And as you do, may God Almighty bless you all in Jesus' name. Support the widow, support the God Sent Foundation, support the less privileged, support support the poor. If you can afford 3 times square meal, somebody cannot even afford one, support them. And don't forget, coronavirus is real. This, please, I need your number. Yeah, my number is there. Osamudi Amen. My number is there. Wait, let me check. So somebody I may see my number. My number is pinned here. +39 35 11 20 42 09. That is my number. So who get here, make it here. I beg if you see all those women who no one leave road work, they see they 40, they 50, they 30. Mona bring their picture, come for me. And Mona tell me about them. I go come out. Even though say I dey sleep, call me on WhatsApp, call my number, I go get up, I go come out, here go. In Nanya, because Ibieka kere gualodo. Small girls they find husband, they not see. Ibieka kere ni that like webo inya gualigo. Why we are letting yak bina winu po? Emania wa shower for 2 years, 3 years. Ni eko lawa. Wanika wene for 20 years. Why give ya make chance ya we na shower? Why are letting yak bina? I letting yak bina. I letting yak drag. Ya mege ya nawa. Yawa miege ya nawaya awanasuna. So thanks guys, thanks for sharing, for your comments, for viewing, for commenting, for everything. May the peace of the Lord be with you all in Jesus' name. Please go and subscribe to A God Send Family TV on YouTube. You'll see this video there, and you'll see many other videos there. You understand? So thank you. Till I come your way next time, remain blessed, and may God bless you. Don't forget, coronavirus is real. Okoromu virus is real. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. And any central boy, even though not presenter, even though not be presenter, any central girl, bring the picture, come for me. Tell me about it. Nah. Okwe no wa ose me. Okwe no wa ote me. Ona gbe we central. The picture me. Yagu nah. Yagu nah. Central more. Stop. Prostitution are from 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. More. Stop. All do men when they sleep with small children. Must stop. That is it. I stand for that, and it must stop. Oh what wagbe. Oh what wagbe. Abi kona wasi ani beka. Inya wiya si ani beka. Ibeka egwa ku. Inya zekenyo. At the age of 40, at the age of 50, you see the go they wear shift the breast up.